You can easily manage your Google Chrome OS devices in bulk with GW Manager. In this video, I will show you how to bulk disable your Google Chrome OS devices with GW Manager. For that, you will go to your Google Sheet and click on Extensions. And here you should see GW Manager. Click on Launch. If you haven't installed GW Manager yet, please visit our website to learn more about the installation options. Once the extension is loaded, you will go to Manage Chrome OS Devices, and then the first option, Chrome OS Device Action, where you can take the action. GW Manager recognizes that we don't have action sheet inserted yet, and it is asking us to insert one. So we'll click on Execute. And now it has inserted Chrome OS Device Action Sheet, where we need to provide device ID, action, and deprovision reason in case if you are deprovisioning. So to get the device IDs, in the last video we showed you how you can export Chrome OS devices. So you can simply follow that video, and within the export, the first column is device ID. So I'll copy this, come back here and paste the device ID here, and here we can write the action. If you hover, it says possible values are deprovision, disable, re-enable, or pre-provision, disable, and re-enable. So we need to disable this device, so I'll just copy this value and paste it here. Now it says deprovision reason, and it's only required when we are deprovisioning, which we are not in this case, so we'll just skip that. Now if we go back to our admin console and do a quick refresh, you will see that we have one device that's enrolled for test at GW Manager, and it's in the status of provisioned. We just have one device. In your case, you might have thousands, and it will work the same way. So now I'll come back here, and I will say execute. I'm expecting GW Manager to disable all the devices that you mentioned here, and it should give us the status, which is action succeeded, action successfully performed. So this device has been disabled. Now if we go back to our admin console, let's do a quick refresh, and instead of provisioned, the status should be disabled. Now it's filtering for status provision, so let's do all. And as you see, it says the device has been disabled now. This is how you can bulk manage Chrome OS devices with GW Manager. You can do much more with GW Manager, and we are constantly adding more features based on customer requests. Please visit our website, GW Manager, to learn more. Thank you for watching.